Hey guys, this is just a super quick video. I wanted to kind of do like an update. I know that I have subscribers who only watch certain videos on my channel, and I have been doing a lot of the prison wife videos, and some of you guys can't relate to that, probably don't watch them. But I just wanted to tell you that I do have more videos coming with, I'm going to do a wig haul, I'm going to do another Shein haul, and other stuff like that. Vlogs too. But in the meantime, I just would like if you could comment down below which videos that you actually like to watch if you're subscribed to my channel, so that I kind of have a better idea of what you guys want to see. I obviously do this for myself, but I'm not going to make videos that no one watches, right? So, sorry I keep playing with my stupid hair. Look at it. It's like frizzy. Anyways, quick video. Please leave a comment down below what you like to watch on my channel. And sorry if you're not into the prison wife videos. It is part of my life and I'm trying to help others out there. But there are other types of videos coming, and I love you guys. Thanks for being subscribed to my channel. Yeah, that's about it. Bye.